Hi, hello friends. This is Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I just started filming. I have quite a few things to film. You can get a little sneak peek here of some of the things that are coming up. Anyway, but today I got something exciting in the mail that I wanted to share. And that is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for March. So I'm excited about this. I'm always excited about this box. Even though this month I thought I may not be as excited because I wasn't really happy with some of my power picks and my choices, but we'll see because sometimes that changes by the end. I also did pick up some things in the shop, so I'm excited about those things too. All right, so let's just get started here. Okay, friends, I wanted to say I am like, if you watch my videos, you know I just made some purchases. I made a couple from Tarte. One is this bronzer, a bronzing stick from Tarte, and this is called the Man Eater, and I am using it today, but I absolutely love this bronzer. So I'm so excited about it because, you know, this bronzers are my favorite, one of my favorite items. And then I got the Tarte, a couple of eyeshadow palettes from Tarte. I did test them when I shared them on a video. So here's the eyeshadow palette I have on. They're just super pigmented, and so they come out a little bit darker. I am wearing this eyeshadow palette. I'm wearing several. I have gold in the middle, and I have these shades on top here, these three shades, using these three shades on the end here. So it was really fun, and this has lasted all day. I've been like cooking dinner and cleaning and everything today, and I put my makeup on earlier and it's still holding out well. So I am like so excited about this purchase. I recommend this eyeshadow because a lot of times by the end of the day working and stuff, the shadow doesn't it just doesn't stay on, and I didn't even put a setting spray on today. So anyway, shout out to Tarte. This is the box where I bought the couple eyeshadow palettes. These are totally my color scheme, a little bit darker than normal, but anyway, sorry, I had to add that in. And if you watch my videos, you kind of might be more familiar with some of these things I say. But anyway, let's get to the Boxycharm box. And this month, it says rewrite the rules. Okay, this is perfect for me because I don't even like rules. So rewriting them might be okay for me because I kind of do that anyway with a lot of rules. I rewrite them to fit myself. And it's kind of different because they have, well, I guess they always do this. This shows some of the power picks. I was really, like they said, I was a little disappointed with the power picks for me. I'm not going to lie. So, but anyway, so let's just get to it. I'm going to open it up and get right in. I know there's a few, there's a few add-ons, so I'm probably going to try to separate those. Okay, I tried to get a little bit organized here because I realized I wasn't. So I know exactly what's what. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do my power picks first. Probably show a picture of maybe some of the choices we had, but so this is where I was a little bit disappointed, I'm going to be honest. Actually, one thing I was happy to get. The other thing, even though I like Earth Harbor, they had like, I love Glow Recipe. They had Glow Recipe and a couple other things that I might have been happier with, a little more expensive things. But this is called Luna Rain from Earth Harbor, and it is a $49 value. It's a night serum, a night resurfacing night serum. Which I could use, I don't know. A lot of times we'll use the Estee Lauder at night, but I will put this in my routine. Like I said, I do like Earth Harbor, so this was okay. It just wasn't something I was super excited about. That was my first power pick. My second power pick, and I really wanted the eyeshadow palette. They usually always give me the eyeshadow palettes because I really like eyeshadow palettes. But I got the Yenza And this is the, let's see, this is the Super Serum Silk Concealer. So it's a concealer in with a serum in it, and I love that. I love that makeup's starting to put serums and things that are good for your skin, taking out the bad things and putting in things that will help nourish your skin when you use a makeup product. So I do like that. This is valued at $32. It's a full-size product, and I am excited to use this and try it. It looks like it might be a little dark for me. Maybe a little yellow. Okay, so now I'm really bummed. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell, but this is too yellow. Maybe if I had a good tan or something. It did kind of go right into my skin. So feels like the formula might be good, but I hope the color will work. I'm going to try it. So obviously now it's mine. I just sampled it. So what I really wanted was the Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette. And fortunately they had it in the shop. So I went ahead and purchased it. Sometimes I wonder if Ipsy doesn't do that on purpose because they know I'll shop their shop. And I'll pick up the palette if I didn't get it. So which is what I did. Last month I did it with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Anyway, so this is the color story. I really want to do these two greens, and that might be fun. I might do it for St. Patrick's Day or something. But anyway, so this is my color palette. I like that there's a lot of shimmers in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. So half of them are shimmers, half of them are regulars. So anyway, kind of excited for that, but that was something I had to purchase as add-ons. Now for my power picks, I have 3 power picks, and let's get to those. Okay, so the first thing I picked, like I said, I wasn't super excited about my choices, so we'll see. But the first thing I picked was this Brazilian Glow face palette. And this is kind of me. It was a bronzer palette. I didn't realize on there it just said a bronzer palette, but it is an eyeshadow bronzer. It's kind of, you know, it's a little bit small. I don't know if it's totally my style, but I may give this a try, or it may be a giveaway. It's not a bad product at all. In fact, they have it in the shop right now. I think they had it for $24, and the value of it is $35. So anyway, so that was my first pick. The second pick I have, you guys are gonna, I don't know. I always say when I get a pick, lip product, it usually means lip products and brushes usually mean I'm not really happy with anything else, but I can always use a lip product. But this is an overnight lip mask from Aceology. I know it's a really good product. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed. But the value of this is $19. So that was my second pick. And my last pick, I don't know why I picked this. I think I've changed, you know, I'm so bad at making decisions, and I think I've changed my mind umpteen times, but I was having trouble with my eyebrow pencils. And so I went ahead and picked, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's a really nice eyeshadow. It's a really nice pencil. But this, I think, now this is different. I don't know how it's supposed to be different, but okay, it says brow frame pencil. Okay, I don't know what the frame pencil is about. See, look, it's kind of, I don't know if you can tell. It's a square tip. Anyway, this game-changing pencil is here to revolutionize your brow game. With its unique design, it effortlessly carves out the perfect shape, fills in sparse areas, combs the hair, and even allows you to sharpen the pencil tip for a precise hair-like strokes infused with vitamin E. Once again, we got some vitamins in here to help encourage hair growth. This long-wearing, smudge-proof, and water-resistant formula ensures that your flawless arches stay put all day. Okay, I'm excited after hearing all that. So I'm really excited. So I need to get my brow game on more. So I'm definitely going to use this and see what it does. I like that it's waterproof. I like that it has vitamins in it. I like that it's supposed to help with hair growth and whatnot. And my eyebrows need that. So there's that. So this is my, my 3 picks were right here. Okay. Their picks were the Earth Harbor and the Yenza, I guess the, what's it called? Concealer. My mind gets crazy sometimes when I film, but anyway, so there's that. So those are my 5 items. I don't know why I tried to contact Ipsy and I couldn't get them, but for some reason I did not get a beauty boost this month, and I was I like my beauty boost, so I was a little bit disappointed. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if they'll send one to me, or if maybe they didn't have them this month. I don't know. Anyway, the jury's out. If you know anything about that, let me know. Okay, so for my add-ons, I'm kind of excited. I actually have a lot. I've had this before. This glow recipe. It's I believe it's a toner. And so I went and picked that up in the 350 items. I also picked up a highlighter, a BB cream Perlice. I like these, so I got that. I got, this was only $3.50. I'm always curious about lip products, but it looked like my color. This is from, it's Beauty Vault. Okay, Beauty Vault. So these are my colors. So I'm kind of excited about that for $3.50. That was a nice little add-on. And then I got, probably one of the most exciting of my add-ons was this Laneige Besties kit. They had these for $12, and it has, I got one before and I love it. It's great for travel, but it also has some, they're decent size, but it has the lip, it has a lip mask. It has the water bank, the cream. It has, this one is, this is a hyaluronic right here. And then it has, is this an eye and another lip? So it has, so it's got 5 products in it. So it's just, it's a great little kit. So, and for a super price, you can't even buy one item from, you know, Laneige for that price. So, I mean, these are, they're deluxe sizes, but they're decent deluxe sizes. So anyway, I actually had ordered this. I got one. I ordered it once, loved it. They had it come back on and I ordered it again, and then they didn't send it to me because they must have run out or something. And so I was happy to see them back on and that I could order it. So anyway, there's that. 3 more items here. I did pick up in the shop. They had, these are my favorite. And lately I've been doing this for a like on a makeup day where I don't really want to do a full eyeshadow look, because I really get into the full eyeshadow looks. They're just fun for me because I like to experiment, especially with being on videos and stuff. So, but I have been using these Julep. I found them to be the best cream eyeshadow. And they have kind of a smudger on one end, and then they have the color on the other end. This one's kind of a rose gold. The cheapest I've been able to get these for is like $10 or $11. And that's the cheapest. Usually they're more like $16 or more. So I don't want to afford them. But when Ipsy had it, I don't know why this isn't coming up, this one. There must be a problem with this one. Oh, here we go. So there's another color. So when Ipsy had these for $8, I went ahead and picked them up. I just a little bit on your lid. You only need one color even, but sometimes I'll put the darker color on my lid and then I'll line it with like a little bit lighter color because that's how I like to create my looks. But anyway, they still have these in the shop, but they raised the price, I think. So anyway, I'm glad I picked those up when I did for the price. Then also, I had this already, but they had the Il Maquillage. It's kind of a lip paint gloss right here. I have some and love it. And I think it's like $31 or something. And I was able to get it in the shop for like $14. So half of what I almost bought it on their website. So anyway, I was real happy, like the color. So that was a score. So I got lots of fun stuff. Here's all my add-ons. Get them all here in my hand so you can maybe get a look at them all. There's all that. The Wonder Beauty eyeshadow palette and the Laneige water bank thing. So it's good. You want to check out your add-ons because sometimes you can get some decent things. So it's nice to just check the add-ons because they always have better prices for the add-ons. And I've been noticing on the site that they do mark up prices. So sometimes I'll see something and I kind of want it, and then it comes back up and it's more. So anyway, you got to look out for that with Ipsy. But once again, I'm happy. I'm always happy. It wasn't my favorite box. No, it was not. I was disappointed that I had to buy this. This was okay. I'll use it, but not. I mean, I would have gotten really excited about one of the other, like the Glow Recipe or something. And then the Yenza, I was really excited to get this, but the jury's out on the color. I'm not sure I'm gonna like it, but maybe it will work. I don't know. So anyway, sorry this turned out to be a little bit longer video than I wanted it to be, but it was exciting. Let me know what you think. Do you get Boxycharm, and what products did you get? So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. I love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, comment, do those things that support my channel if you wish. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.